In this video, I want to show you how to search for plants that are good for pollinators. And there's several ways of doing that. First of all, you can use the search box here on the home page and type in the tag pollinator. And that shows you we have a couple of different tags. We have pollinator plant tag and pollinator garden. Pollinator plant tag returns over 1,200 different plants that are good for pollinators. And up here in this list, these are the first dozen plants on that list of plants that are good for pollinators. Now, there's another way of doing it, and if you want native pollinator plants that are native to North Carolina and good for pollinators, you can type in the tag NC native pollinator, and that gets you the tag NC native pollinator plant, and that returns 391 species that are native plants that are good for pollinators. Another way of doing it is to, if you're interested in a specific pollinator, for example, butterflies, you can type in the tag butterfly friendly. And that gets you the tag here, returns over 1,100 plants that are tagged butterfly friendly. Those would be plants that are both native to North Carolina and non-native or exotic plants. We can do bee friendly, we can do moth friendly, we can do hummingbird friendly plants. Will get you, this tag will get you 358 plants that are good for hummingbirds, and that includes native and non-native plants. The other way of doing it is to go to the home page and use the Find a Plant feature. If you do Find a Plant, and then which returns all the plants in the toolbox, then you can filter it down, and so you can say use in the landscape section attracts, and you can then say attracts bees or attracts hummingbirds, or you can even use a combination of filters, so attracts both moths and butterflies. So if we click both of those, I've got to do it in 2 steps here. That returns a list of 227 plants that are attractive to both butterflies and moths. So there's lots of ways of searching and lots of powerful ways of filtering the plants in the Plant Toolbox to find plants that are attractive to pollinators.